Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the archive accessible. Mount Drive with Drive. Mount /content/drive or drag the zip into Colab's Files pane. This ensures a stable path. Once done, check the exact file name and location because commands are literal. Next, decide whether to use Python's zip file module or the system unzip command. Both work, but zip file gives programmatic control while unzip is faster for quick extraction. Make sure the runtime has enough disk space before proceeding to extraction. Now perform extraction. If you prefer Python, import zip file and call zip file. Extract all dest. This preserves structure and is easy to catch exceptions. Alternatively, run the shell command, unzip o/content/myarchive. Zip d/content/folder for a quick operation. The O flag overwrites without prompting. Once extraction completes, list the destination with ls/la or Python's OS. Listier to confirm files and sizes. If you need selective extraction, iterate members with zip file. With files extracted, change into the folder using %cd so relative imports and scripts run correctly. Then install any Python dependencies with pip install r requirements. txd or individual packages, make sure to restart the runtime if extension packages were loaded. To run a script, use Python script, py or run cells that import local modules. If things go wrong, check 3 things: file permissions, a corrupted archive, and missing dependencies. Re-uploading the zip or re-downloading the source often fixes corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.